DTS.
Essa acaba da Rast. DTS represent. Shout out pra minha nigga Mônico für EP novo. Muziek Ta Bida. Que da Loki beton tudo support. Sacava.
Chando terrible motherfucking black G. Shout out pra tudo niggas não curtem respect. Me nigga mais young din rap que me aruba. N.o.t time back passou e sempre te ajuda. Fresh sound RJ money production stay straight. Mita scoopy de beat. Nah nigga mita spit. Ode comer romance nigga mita flip nigga. Pussy motherfucking tom motherfucking bitch nigga. Broke I bokimen ku bota rich nigga. Banco China e kima nang imita flip nigga. Sigi blafa so bakoba den bosanka. Vai duro passo borraio bakoba den bosanka. Muziek Ta Bida AP. Cai straight can't fico bokimen ku bota rico. Sei que men bota marico say nigga. Shout out to J. Nos the vibe in next track like a cookie city play.
Money. We stay Muziek Ta Bida nigga. Yeah. Commit the money nigga. N.o.t. Yeah. Fresh song. RJ Productions nigga. Yeah. Yeah.
But what if they don't cop out re-up though?
Well, I'ma worry about that when it happens. Until then, Mr. Charles, we gonna handle this shit like businessmen. Sell the shit, make the profit, and later for that gangster bullshit. Yeah.
Do the chick know we gonna look like some punk ass bitches out there?
Motherfucker, I will punk your ass for saying some shit.
Drink.
What?
Drink. Poop did have the floor,
Shut
man.
the fuck up, man. This nigga too ignorant to have the fucking floor. Y'all niggas need to start looking at the world in a new fucking light. Start thinking about this shit like some grown fucking men. Not some niggas off the fucking corner. You heard me? You heard me?